Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Windows 10 computer to act as a mobile hotspot, which will allow you to share its internet connection with other devices around you, such as if you have a tablet or Kindle reader or smartphone or something like that that you want to get an internet connection on and you want to piggyback off your Windows 10 computer. You can do that pretty easily. So what you need to do first is go to your Windows settings, and if you don't know how to do that, it's going to depend on your start menu. So if you have the original Windows 10 start menu, you would just click on settings right there. And then what you want to do is find network and internet. And then you want to go down to mobile hotspot. And it's probably turned off by default, so what you want to do is turn it on. And the network name is going to be the name of your computer, so whatever you have your computer, and it's going to give you a password that it's just going to make up. So you click on here, you could change the network name, or you could change the password to something. Obviously don't do this, but I'm just saying if you want to do that, you could do so. And if you want to pick what bands you want to have available, I suggest probably just leave it on any, just because you never know what you're going to be using to connect with. So save that. So now this is telling me that right now I'm on a 5 gigahertz connection, and I might have a problem if I'm trying to connect a device that doesn't support 5 gigahertz. So if that's the case, I could edit it and pick the 2.4, but I'm not too worried about it. So now what I'm going to do is, you're not going to be able to see this, but I'm going to take my phone and connect to this network. And now you can see that under devices connected, I have 1 of 8. So obviously it looks like we're only allowed to have 8 devices connected. So unknown, the IP address and the MAC address of that device. And so now I'm using my Windows 10 computer as the internet connection for my phone. So, pretty simple to do. So like I said, so once you turn on the mobile hotspot, change any settings, the network name or the password. If you want to change the band from 5 gigahertz to 2.4, and then just go on your mobile device and just connect to a mobile network like you normally would. Find the connection that matches the name of your network name, and put in the password that you made up here, and then you should be good to go. Pretty simple. All right, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.